Namaskar, good morning student. Today I am going to discuss the chapter 3 personalization Windows environment. In the previous chapter computer software and its type, you learned about the various type of software. The most basic software that should be present on a computer system is the operating system. So operating system is the software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. The various versions of Windows operating system available today include Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. When working with Windows, you can customize the appearance and functionality of the computer according to your preferences. This task of customizing the computer can be done using the control panel. Actually, the control panel window can be opened from the start menu. Click on start menu and then click on control panel. In this chapter, we will learn about changing display and date time settings in Windows 7 through control panel. This is the control panel window. So first we will change the display settings. You can personalize various display settings such as the background picture of the desktop or appearance of Windows elements on your computer using themes. Also, you can change the screen resolution for better clarity of the text and images displayed on a screen. This option can be accessed using the appearance and personalization section in the control panel window. Let us discuss more about these display settings. Changing themes. So if we want to change the themes of operating system Windows 7, so here changing the theme, this option here we need to click. So I will click here. I am clicking. So before I am going to change the themes, so first I am going to say something about what is themes. A theme is a combination of pictures, colors and sound on the computer. It includes a desktop background, Windows border color, a sound scheme and a screen saver. This is the Windows theme. Okay. Then what is screen saver? A screen saver is any moving picture or graphics that is displayed on the screen when you do not use the mouse or the keyboard for some specific time. Windows comes with various pre-installed themes. These include Arrow themes, Windows 7 basic themes and high contrast themes. To apply themes, follow the given step. Suppose I am going to change the theme here. Suppose Angry Bird. So whatever you want, which type of theme you want to set for your computer, just click here. So on Angry Bird, just click here. Now just go automatically this computer background and theme also change. So again I'm sorry, this is not on computer. Again I'm going and control panel. Again now change the desktop background also. Simply just choose the pictures, select from pictures library, because I want to change this one. Then first I select the picture, then click on save change, and then I close this one. Again my computer desktop background has changed. Now again I am going to set the screensaver. So if I want to set screensaver, then I have to click here screensaver option, and suppose here I am going to use 3D text and click on setting. Oh, the screensaver cannot be done because it is new video part. Okay, so this is not applicable for me. Okay, bubbles, suppose I select here bubbles, preview. Screensaver cannot be done. What's the screen is done? Photos. Okay, photos are there. Ribbons, not noise TP, blank. So various options are there. This photos is there, and then changing this view. Picture browse, I want to set screensaver picture. Just click here, my picture, public pictures, sample pictures. Okay, so then I will click here, apply, and then click OK. So automatically the screensaver has set up, already set up. When mouse or keyboard is not working for some specific time, that time it will be appear. Then whatever I have set, the screensaver, it will be appear. Now another option is just change the screen resolution. How can we change the screen resolution? Again I am going to control panel, and here adjust screen resolution. So again I am coming the part of appearance and personalization option, and here I am just click the adjust screen resolution. When I click the adjust screen resolution, so here this is the screen resolution option. Just click here. So low to high. If I make it low, apply and OK, keep change. So automatically this screen resolution has changed automatically. Again I am just look this, the pictures are little bit bigger than previous time. So again I am going to control panel, and again I am adjust the screen resolution, because then I am going to high, apply, yes, and OK. So in this way we can also change or adjust the screen resolution in Windows 7. Now change date and time. Now change date and time. if we want to change the date and time, that time we need to choose, that means we need to come to this option, clock, language and region. So change keyboard, other input method, clock, just click here. Here date and time, region and language, the options are there. So set the time and date. Here one option, set the time and date. If I click here, so automatically the date times settings windows is appear, and change date and time. Here just click and change the date and time just like this way, and then press OK. And then change also, we can also change the time zone also, just click here. So this is our time zone, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Set the time zones also. So just current date and time, everything is displayed here. Just OK and OK. In this way we can also change the date and time. Region and language is also change location, change the date and time, number format, change keyword and other input method. Region, just click here. So this is the location, keyboard, language, administrative, so many options is there. Format, this is the format, short date format. So format, that means date, how date will be displayed, which format it will follow. So normally it follow month, day, year. First it will display month, day and year. So if I am to change it day, month and year, also just click here and then OK. Look this here, just look here, 21 May 20. So automatically it changed the format of this. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood how can we personalize the Windows 7. So this is the some basic way. Through this way we can personalize our Windows 7. Thank you very much.